Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to create, menswear photos without a photo shoot. And now I know how important it is to create a really professional photo shoot about your dresses that you're trying to sell, let it be for male as well as female. But for this video, I'm focusing on the menswear. So it doesn't matter if you sell maybe t-shirts or trousers or maybe pants or hats or whatever you may sell. WearView is here to help you create some stunning images like this one. All these images that you just saw were all created by WearView. So let's take a look at how you can create, menswear photo without even going to a photo shoot, hence saving you a lot of time as well as a lot of money. So the first thing what I want you guys to do is go to wearview.co and then go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, don't worry, you can use Google to create an account less than 10 seconds. So once that is done, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on it, you will be greeted with all these features that we have in WearView. First is AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Post Control, AI Consistent Models, AI Model Swap, and the list goes on. There are so many features here. If you are selling only one product, or if you have only one product and you you want only one product to be showcased on a model, then of course you should go for AI Try-On Studio. But if you have multiple dresses that you want your AI to wear at the same image, then AI Product to Model is your best friend. Now I'm really sorry, as you can already hear my voice, it's not smooth, it is gritty. As because I am facing some health issues, so even though I'm still creating the video, please forgive me for that. Now here we have the portion where it says select products. Here we will have to select the products that we want our model to wear. If you want, you can go ahead and click on see what works. I'm so sorry. These are the combinations that works, dresses, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, as well as, skirts. And also try to upload simpler images, not complicated ones. Now, once that is done, we'll click on the Add Image button. First, I'll choose the jacket. I want my, model to wear a suit. Then I will select the pants. Then I'll select the shirt that I want him to wear underneath, and then I'll also choose the shoes, which is really nice formal shoes. So these are the 4 dresses that I have selected, and finally we'll click on the next button. Now we'll have to select our models. If you have a model, then go ahead and click on Choose File and then choose the model that you have. But for me, I'll click on My Models, go to Model Library, and here you can choose from man as well as woman. So as this video is for menswear, so I'll be selecting man. For this model, let's choose Eric here. Eric is a great model, so we'll choose it, Eric, and we'll click on the next button. I'm so sorry. Again, here you can create your very own preset, which is a very exclusive and very new feature that has come to WearView. I will explain more about that in the next upcoming videos. Next, you have describe your model settings. This is an optional feature. Here you can describe, the pose of your model, the way you want the model to, stand in the image. It's a very optional prompt, but if you go to click on the prompt tips, you can copy, ready-made or preset, prompts, copy and paste it over here. It will just get your job done. Next comes the quality. If you ask me, 4K is hands down the best quality. And if you're really serious about your, about your dress or about your store, 4K is hands down the only option that you should believe. But for this video, I'll choose 2K because, as you'll see, even 2K, the image looks really nice. So I'll choose aspect ratio as 9:16 because we want in vertical format. For number of images, I'm selecting 3, and then we'll click on the generate button. Now this will take some time depending on your complexity of your dress. But for me, it says it will take around 2.5 minutes. Basically, it takes around like 1 minute. So I won't keep you guys waiting here. I'll pause the video right now and I'll resume once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so as you can see, our images has been generated successfully. We selected 3 images, but amongst the 3, I think the first one is the best. All of them are just very exactly the same, but I really like the first one. If you have some artifacts in your image by any chance, which doesn't really happen, go to refine button and then go ahead and change something that you want to change. Stuff like, sharpen fabric texture, enhance the colors, remove background distractions and stuff like that. You can go ahead and do it. But here's the image which I really like. It's really high quality. As you can see, 2K is hands down the best. You can also flip the image horizontally. You can share it from here as well. Or if you want, you can also download, which I'll do. After downloading this image, you can also change the pose of your model, and then as well as you can create AI fashion video for the same model. Your creativity is the limit here, and with the help of WhereView, you can create a whole portfolio of models wearing your dresses. So this is something very nice, very nice tool. I think the video is around like maybe 5 to 6 minutes long, and you can see how easily you just created these models, menswear models with no problem. With just few clicks, you created these great images. All these images that you're looking right now are all created with WhereView, and that's how easy it is. Well, that's pretty much it. This is here Victor from WhereView signing out, and in this video you just learned how to generate menswear photos without a photo shoot. Like I said, if you got any queries, if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment box down below. This is Victor signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, I'll just take care of myself more because I'm kind of under the weather. Thank you.